Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Apex Classes, and today we will discuss the question on group. The question is, in a group a raised to the power 5 is equal to b raised to the power 4 is equal to e, and ab is equal to b into a raised to the power 3, and we have to find the value of a square b from the given four options. So first of all, we are given a raised to the power 5 is equal to b raised to the power 4 is equal to e. E means identity, so this implies the order of a is equal to 5 and order of b is equal to 4. Now the relation given is ab is equal to ba raised to the power 3. Ab is equal to ba raised to the power 3. So let this be equation number 1. And the value which we have to find is, we have to find a square b. So from this relation what we do is, we will multiplying by a from the left on both sides, on both sides. So on multiplying by a, we will get a into ab is equal to a into ba raised to the power 3, and on solving the equation we will get a square b is equal to we will get e, and from the right we will get a into b into a raised to the power 3, which means a into b into a raised to the power 3. Now again from equation number 1, we have ab is equal to ba raised to the power 3. So we will use the value of ab from equation 1 in this equation. So we will get a square b, which we have to find, is equal to ab will be replaced by b a raised to the power 3 into a raised to the power 3 is already here. Now on rearranging this, we will get a square b will be equal to b into a raised to the power 3 into a raised to the power 3 becomes a raised to the power 6. Now a square b will become b into a raised to the power 5, because we can write a raised to the power 6 as a into a raised to the power 5. We have done this because a raised to the power 5 is identity. It is given a raised to the power 5 given as identity. That's why we have put here a raised to the power 5, which means the value of a raised to the power 5 will be 1. So this equation will be transformed as a square b is equal to b a, and this is the required answer. So the answer will be option number B. This will be the answer. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.